How to use Atome in the TikTok shop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Atome in the TikTok shop. Start by browsing the items you want to purchase. Now, when you're ready to check out, select Atome as your payment method. Next, if you're using it for the first time, sign in to your Atome account or create one. After that, review the payment details displayed in the app. Atome allows you to choose from 3 interest-free payments or opt for a longer installment plan with a small fee. All the charges are clearly shown upfront, so you know exactly what to expect. Then pay the first installment at checkout. Now, your remaining payments will be automatically deducted monthly. Finally, every 1 RM spent earns you 1 Atome Plus point, which you can use to offset future transactions or redeem rewards in the Atome app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.